Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my June Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you want to see what I got, see me use some of the products, then just keep watching. Boxycharm by Ipsy, if you are not familiar, is a subscription box. You get 5 full-sized items. They pick 2 of them for you, and then the other 3 you get to choose. So every month it's different. The size box that I get is $29.99. I actually think I pay a little bit less than that because I chose to pay for the entire year. They will discount you when you do that. I will have all the information about Boxycharm listed and linked in the description box below in the event you are interested. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this box. I'm just sharing in the event you're interested. I have most of my face on already. I will have everything that is on my face listed and linked in the description box per usual. I did peek in the box just to make sure that I got what I was supposed to get. And I'm going to share a little bit of information about each one of the products, and then 2 of the products I can put on. The first one that I got is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. This has a $75 value. It is a serum that is going to firm, smooth, and hydrate the looks of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes for a smoother, firmer, and more youthful look. It's got amino acids, blue flower linseed, padina, pavonica. Looks very good. Eye cream is one of the things that I will spend a little bit more money on because, as you know, I struggle with my under eyes, with the darkness, with the fine lines. So that is one skincare item that I tend to pay a little bit more for sometimes. So it's nice to have that. I know Elemis is a good brand. Yay for that. The next 2 items are a little bit boring. The first one they chose for me, and then the second one when I had a choice, just of the choices that I saw, I picked the one that I was most drawn to. Bottom line is, the next 2 items are facial cleansers. Let me tell you about the first one, and I believe this is the one that they chose for me. This is the Goldfaden MD Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser, retails for $38. It is a daily multitasking advanced cleanser that dissolves impurities, removing dead skin, excess oil, and makeup in one simple step. Skin will feel firmer and appear smoother, leave skin fresh and appearing clear. Sounds good to me. I will use it. And the next one I chose based on my choices. One of these days I'll have to take a screenshot. I can't even remember what the choices were. I just look at the usually 3 items that they show me and pick the one that I think I'll use or the one that I'm excited to try. And this is the Symbiosis London Heroes Collection Enlightening and Exfoliating Cleansing Gel, valued at $73. A mild, non-drying gel that aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup, leaving skin lighter and brighter. With a cocktail of brightening, smoothing, and hydrating extracts, Symbiosis Enlightening and Exfoliating Cleansing Gel helps smooth wrinkles and soothe irritation. It is the perfect step in your skincare regimen. Sounds good. I like the idea of a gel. Maybe this in the morning, this in the evening. Comment below, do you wash your face twice a day? I feel like I need to, but I've heard some say not to. Maybe it's an oily skin, dry skin kind of thing. The 4th thing that I got is the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Eyeshadow Stick. It is the ultimate quick stick, plays harder, lasts longer, swipe and go cream eyeshadow, glides on with ease for 24 hours of instant effortless eyes. Prime, line, define, or highlight, with buildable shades and 3 finishes to complement all skin tones, eye shapes, and looks. These retail for $32, and the shade that I got is Incandescent, which is a gold with a pink flip. Sounds interesting. I did bring my L'Oreal bronzer in here for a little bit of a structure to the eye. I brought my concealer up onto my eyelid just for a little bit of priming, but let me just throw my L'Oreal 24-hour bronzer in the crease, which I am loving my new shade. What did I get? Light. I had medium. And now I have light and I'm enjoying this shade even more. Underneath. Good enough. And now for the shadow stick, and of course the last item is a makeup item as well. But let's throw this on. This is the Bobbi Brown Incandescent, and I've heard great things about these eyeshadow sticks. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. It looks like I see peach and gold and pink. I hope that my camera is doing this justice. Let's throw it on. I'm just gonna willy-nilly throw it on my lid. I'm going to try to keep it a thin coat to give it a fair chance. Let it set, and then I'll go in with another one, because of course, if you know me, I want all the color payoff. I don't know if I should pat this in. The texture feels nice. It's not sticky. It feels very silky. It's pretty, but it looks pretty subtle. I'll take a little bit underneath. All right. And then the fifth thing that I got is this KVD Beauty Tattoo Pencil Waterproof Long-Lasting Gel Eyeliner in Pyrolusite. Pyrolusite? Brown. It's $23. I remember when these came out, I was very interested. I tend to be more of a drugstore liner kind of gal, but that's one thing that I like about Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'm getting more luxury brands for drugstore pricings. Let's look at this. I kind of wish it were black. That's okay. Let me go ahead and swatch it. It does look like it is a nice dark brown. It is a sharpened style pencil. So let me go ahead and throw some on the eye. I'm going on the outer edge, and I'm gonna wing it out just a little. Is this a matte brown? It does look like that, but it looks like it's struggling to go over that Bobbi Brown pencil. But it's not bad. It's soft. It's definitely gliding on the eyes. It's not a stiff pencil. I think I'd like to sharpen it. You know how sometimes they come and they're not super sharp? Let me sharpen it a little bit and see if that helps. There we go. That's a little better. Must dry down really fast because now I'm trying to layer it on top of itself and it doesn't like that. I'm gonna throw this in the waterline. Go ahead and throw it in the bottom waterline as well. And that liner does seem to be really budge proof. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of my El Maquillage mascara on that I got in Boxycharm, and I'll be right back to talk about the value and my final thoughts. I'm back, mascara is on. Final thoughts on the box. First of all, let's talk value. I paid $29.99, if not a little bit less, and the value of the box comes to $241. So did I technically get my money's worth? Absolutely. Do I feel I got my money's worth? Absolutely. I will use all three of these skincare items. Are they boring? Yes. Are they useful? Yes. $10 a piece for these things, if I paid $30, then yes. What typically excites me is the makeup. And the makeup this month is disappointing. The Bobbi Brown stick, I think it's pretty. It's just a lot of flipping shades are not usually my style. I feel like it looks like my eyeshadow isn't on evenly. I just have a thing with duochromes. The liner, it wasn't as pigmented as I thought it would be, and then it dried down so fast that when I tried to build up the pigment, it was dragging. Not loving this liner. I will try it again with something other than a shadow stick in case these two just don't want to be friends. I'll do my best to keep you posted. If any of you have these KVD gel eyeliners and adore them, let me know. Tell me how you use them and you like them. The Bobbi Brown, I think I would have liked it more if it were a different shade, because I've heard fantastic things. I've heard it compared to the Laura Mercier, which I have one baby Laura Mercier eyeshadow stick, and I love it. I love a really bright inner corner, so I think I just would have liked a different shade. If I were to rate my box, I would give it a C+. I'm not sad I'm not angry. I'm just not wowed. I hope you do better next month. Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'm still here. I'm hanging around. If you're interested in what's on my face, including the new products, check out the description box below. I hope that you will consider subscribing before you leave. I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, talk to me in the comments. I would love that. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.